It's Monday the 27th, day 11 out here, 6:30 in the morning. I'm just heading out of camp. And for whatever reason, both my USB cables decided to break at the same time. So I don't really have a way to charge my phone. So I need it for navigation, and today's video will be really short. It's about 6 miles from camp to the Gila River. And from there, the trail just follows the riverbed all the way to Doc Campbell's, which means you're just crossing the river all day long. Last estimates were about 60 river crossings for today. So if all goes well, that canyon where the Gila is flowing through might already be in sunshine by the time I get there. And so it's not that completely cold. Down there in the valley is the Gila River, and you can see the big difference in color and vegetation down there because there's water. Alright, finally made it down the hill and crossing the Gila River, or one of its arms, for the first time. Because there are no crossings on this river, the best and easiest way to go through is simply walk through them. This area is indescribably beautiful because it's a wilderness area. There's essentially no human use allowed, and there's also no infrastructure, with the exception of walking through it, I guess. And there's just so many animals. I saw turkeys this morning, whitetail, deer, woodpeckers, all kinds of other things. And you're just kind of walking through this canyon / valley where the river is meandering through, and so the vegetation is also a lot different than what you usually see out here, because there's clearly plants here that need more water that they would get in other areas. All right, here we go again, number 10. So we're just passing the 200-mile mark, it seems. At least somebody calculated it that way. I mean, of course, these kind of calculations always refer to the red line. So depending on what you actually do, which alternates you do, which sections you skip, etc., etc., might not be your personal. But regardless, it's a milestone. And number 20. As usual, the trail provides. When I was sitting there having my lunch break, a fellow hiker passed by and let me borrow his charging cable for a while. Right, crossing number 30 coming up. And in case you're wondering, no, my shoes are not dry anymore. Number 40 and counting. Coming up, number 50 and no end in sight. I'm kidding. There's actually an end in sight. It's only about 5 miles now to Doc Campbell's, which is it's the little outpost at the end of the road that goes into the Gila Wilderness. And I will pick up a package there that my Mississippi Trail Angels have sent me there. So it's gonna be a week's worth of food. And they also have some hot springs. 57 wash cycles. Pretty sure that this is probably the cleanest these shoes will ever be on the entire CDT. I've decided now. So I'll walk into Doc Campbell's tonight and stay on the outskirts where the camping is still free. Sleep there. Then get my package tomorrow, do my resupply, try to get a permanent solution for my cable, take a rest day, and then head out the next morning. That next section all the way to Pie Town is around 130 miles or almost 200 kilometers. So it's gonna be exhausting and I want to be rested for that. So I'm not just gonna push right through. Ding 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 ding. Number 60. I think this should just be about the last one of the day.